easily summarize your note by using the Note Assist feature in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to make sure that the Note Assist feature for Samsung Note is on. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap advanced intelligence. Tap Samsung Note and then make sure that the on-off switch for this feature has been turned on. By default, this option is enabled. However, if it disabled, tap the on-off switch until the switch turns red to enable it. When the Note Assist feature is on, you can then use this feature to easily summarize your note. To do so, open Samsung Note app. Next, you can create a new note or open an existing note. As the example, we will open an existing note. Now tap the 3-star icon at the bottom of the screen. However, if your note is long, you can adjust the selected text that you'd like to be summarizing. In the pop-up menu, tap Summarize. To let your phone use the AI to create a summary of your note. If needed, you can change the summary style by tapping the summary style icon at the top right of the summary section. And then select Standard to get a standard summary, or select Detail to get more detailed summary. As the example, we will select Detail. Next, tap Done button to save the selected style and apply to your note. While you are viewing the summary, you can do some action. First, you can copy the summary to your clipboard by tapping Copy. Second, you can replace your original note with the summary by tapping Replace. Third, you can add the summary in a new page before your original note by tapping Add to and then select New Page Before. Or you can save the summary in a new note by tapping Add to and then select New Note. By using this AI-based feature, now you can easily summarize your note so it can easily be read and is easy to understand. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.